a great choice today with the 2019
Hyundai Kona. The Hyundai Kona provides a wide variety of functionality in a small SUV body. The energetic design is perfect for those looking to marry their adventurous side with their urban lifestyle.
This vehicle has less than 40,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, four-wheel disc brakes, rear window defroster, trip computer, power windows, electronic stability control, security system, panic alarm, tachometer, overhead console, remote keyless entry, brake assist, rear window wiper, cloth seat trim, driver vanity mirror, front reading lamps, tilt steering wheel. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.